Alright folks, here is the electronic billboard installed. I cleared out this area right here because I want to redo it with some oil tanks that I made. But anyway, there's the electronic billboard. I think it looks pretty good. And under here is where the electronics are. Mounted right there. Powered off 12 volts. That kind of looks cool too. So, take another few moments here. You gotta watch the trains go by. Remember, vote for Bob White for sheriff. And anyway, we'll back out. These are some of the oil tanks I printed on my 3D printer. So I cleared this area off because I'm going to start over and do something like that. Got a lot more work to do there. Anyway, there you go folks. The electronic billboard. On to the next project. Thank you for tuning in.